What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be covering how you can set up a actual URL for a split test inside of your funnels. So why the heck would you ever want to do this? Mainly if you're trying to send traffic to a order page or something like that from maybe like follow-up emails or whatever campaigns you have set up, but you're trying to get them re-engaged or sent back to the actual order form where they can make a transaction. But you have a split test running. Now, you still want to take advantage of the split test to see which one is performing better, which one people will actually convert better on, just to make sure that you are always optimizing, right? There isn't a way to do this directly inside of the funnel, but there is a way to do it outside of the funnel using something called short links inside of your account. Short links is another app that can be utilized from your apps menu, and basically you're creating different URL redirects or end destination URLs that people can use to get to the destination that you would prefer. With that said, let's go and actually show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and just duplicate this page here. We'll pull this over. Let me get rid of these other tabs here because I don't need them. And we're going to go ahead and exit the funnel in this new tab. All right. At this point, what we need to do is go over here to the apps headline right here. Go directly to the right of that. Click on the little plus icon here to access the app menu. The app center here is mainly just a bunch of features that you can enable inside of your ClickFunnels 2.0 account, such as countdown funnels, courses, discounts. But the one we're actually looking for today is going to be the short links app. I already have it added inside of my workspace, so I don't have to reactivate it. But for you, all you have to do is find this app right here on this page. It'll likely be either at the top here or underneath other apps. Either way, just click on it directly and you'll see something similar to this right here. Basically just a page that gives a little bit of a description as far as what the app is for, and you can either learn more or add the app. In your case, click on Add App, and once you do so, it'll bring you to a page just like this, all right? It'll essentially just bring you directly to this location where we can create the redirect that we are trying to put in place. Let's go ahead and give this guy a name. We'll call it Order Form Split Test, all right? Now, from there, we can assign a specific URL. In my case, I'm gonna go with repairmyfunnel.com, and then we'll go ahead and set up a target URL. Now for the target URL, we have to go back to the funnel itself. We're going to grab the original step here for the order form itself. Just hover over the actual path name here that's highlighted in blue. From there, click on the little highlight icon, copy icon, and we're going to go back to the other tab here. Paste in the URL that we have, and we're going to go back to the funnel again and grab the other URL here for the split test. All right, once we have that in place, let's go ahead and paste that into the split testing second URL option here. All right, now this is where the magic happens. Right beneath this, you can actually set up the percentage that you prefer. This is the place where you want to essentially have the same percentage that you have created here for your split test. All right, so we'll go over here and do 50%. All right, so that way it's 50-50. It's the exact same split test that we have set up in the actual funnel itself, but we have now a central URL that we can give people to test this out. Now, I probably will change this up because I don't want to have order form split test as the actual path name. Let's go with experts. I'll do support experts. Yeah, expert, that's fine. That should be fine. Should be available too. I just want to make sure it's something that is available. There we go. Okay, we're good to go. Now, just to recap here, what we're doing, we are creating a split test that will send people 50-50 between the two URLs that we have created for this specific split test. So one side will be for the original, right? And then the other will be for the variant. If we go back and forth for the URLs, you can see what I'm talking about, right? We have the original URL right here as the target URL. This guy right here, and then the variant URL as the secondary split testing URL. All right, and beneath that we have the split test percentage set to the exact same thing that we have created over here on the actual split test inside the funnel, and that is basically it. That's all you have to do. Now, if you want to go beyond this as far as what we're doing here and have some tracking involved, you can paste in any pixel codes right here, or UTM parameters on the side. All right, but we're just going to go ahead and click on Create URL Redirect. And at this point, we can then go in and take the URL that we have right here, or that we've just created. Just click on the little copy icon, And we'll go to the incognito window just so we can test it out. We want to make sure that it's actually going to both locations, right? So we go ahead and hit enter there. Should redirect. We'll see either -B as the end destination, or, and there we go, we got the variant first. Go ahead and just paste it in there again. We should find that eventually the other one should show up. And there we go. Actually, yeah, we got, what do you know, 50-50 right from the get-go. We got one for the variant and one for the original. And that is it. Now you can give people this URL inside of the emails, so that way they are forwarded back and they're still split tested between each of those variants, or the tests that you have created inside of that funnel. All right, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions about this at all, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to us directly at support@repairmyfunnel.com, and we will be happy to help. All right, with that said, hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.